Hi Swapnaja,
Hello, Andy sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Welcome to my show. This is Business Area 365.
Okay.
It's a business channel where we showcase business owners and professionals. So it's a privilege and honor to have you
It's a
on my
privilege
show.
that you have come here to
Thank you so much.
interview. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. So, Swapnaja, you are basically from Solapur.
Yeah, my birthplace. I'm born and brought up in Sholapur.
Okay. So can you tell us something in short about your earlier days?
Yes. Born and brought up in Sholapur. I completed my higher schooling in Sholapur, but I graduated from Mumbai, from Government Dental College. I graduated as a dentist. But my quest towards cosmetic was there since the beginning. So I did my cosmetic dentistry initially, and then seeing those beautiful smiling faces, the thirst and the knowledge towards aesthetic increased. So I did my further fellowship courses of trichology, aesthetic medicines and lasers, Korean facial, glass facials, and facial sculpting, minor surgeries, and few more fellowship courses in my baggage. And I'm practicing since last 26 years in
26 long
yes,
years.
yes, thank you.
So how did you come into this profession? What made you to
Yeah, I
get
initially
attracted
wanted to be a doctor because I belong to a family of doctors itself.
Oh,
My
really?
father, an MD physician and dean of few colleges. My brother is a plastic surgeon now settled in London. And I grew up in that atmosphere of where we stayed in a colony of doctors. So we used to play with syringes and fetuses. So I grew up with that atmosphere. So I always wanted to be a doctor itself.
Okay.
That later on the quest for cosmetics and enhancing a person's personality, that quest started mounting, and then this branch was open and unventured. So I took the right opportunity at that time.
Are you from the glamour industry?
Initially, I did a bit of modeling
Okay.
during my college days, but then academics was the first preference. So later on, I just diverted into this, and I enjoy doing my practice. And also, I think in few days I'll be doing a short film.
Okay. So coming back to your profession, why you choose Pune?
Pune, I found a lot of scope and perspective in Pune than Sholapur, because Sholapur is a small city again, and you can't implement all the knowledge there because people are not much aware of the aesthetic treatments, what all comes into that. So they are not, and they are hesitant to getting it done. So I found Pune a better place where people are more aware, more educated, more inclined towards cosmetic treatments because there's a lot of IT hub here, more of army personnel settled here, more industries. So better scope than Sholapur, of course.
So what are your specialties? What do you focus on? Can you tell something about your
people
services?
come to me mostly for hair treatments and anti-aging treatments, where I have delivered very satisfied results to my patients for hair growths and hair transplants, Botox, fillers, thread lips, and other anti-aging treatments. So they are more. I have more clients coming to me for those treatments, especially. Though there are other treatments, they walk in to me for that, but these are the more, I get more clients for this type of treatments.
So how many outlets do you have?
I have around 4 outlets as of now. Initially I had plenty, but I have just summed down to 4.
Good. So your focus is more.
Yeah. Approachability and focus.
Focus more. What is the special thing that you have in your services? What is that unique thing?
We have a holistic approach towards enhancing a client's personality or a patient's personality. So when he walks into our clinic, there's nothing that he will be disappointed. in getting his looks enhanced. So from head to toe, like you can say from your hairs to your teeth to your skin to your overall physique, we help them enhance it. So
And
that's
how does it help them?
of course it boosts their confidence. Anyone who starts looking beautiful or good looking and more feels more younger, so that is indirectly going to boost their confidence, and their outcome in their work is going to increase.
Okay.
That is what I feel.
Yeah, they help them in a career also.
Yes,
They stand out in a crowd.
exactly.
So how do you go about this? Do you try it? How do you experiment this?
We don't experiment, we practice actually. I do experiment it on myself whenever I buy machines and all. I check the results on myself first or my family members, and then we practice it on my patients. So that's why we
Make sure
say,
that.
yeah, the good and the best results are delivered to my patients.
Oh, wonderful. That's
I
nice.
have to burn marks of my lasers and peels
my
on my
goodness.
hands
Oh.
too. Because first we always try it on ourselves before giving or
That's a burn mark.
yeah, that's a burn mark. With the lasers, I had bought a new laser. I just tried to check the settings were okay. So initially, there's always a pharmacist will come and give us a sample. So we try it on ourselves. We find it is up to the mark to give it to my patients. Then only we deliver it.
Okay. But they must be giving a demo also. Pharmacists.
Yeah, they sometimes give a demo, but the standards are mostly American standards. The settings are set to American standards, but their skin types and our skin types are different.
Yeah.
So the settings have to be adjusted accordingly. At times they give us a demo, at times we don't get it. And then we have to adjust it for patient to patient, it differs. So not all skin types, not all skin tones are the same. So I sometimes check it on myself and then deliver it to my patients.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So the patient doesn't get harmed. He's paying me, so I see that he gets the best of it.
So there's a lot of models must be coming to you, celebrities.
Yeah, in Mumbai when I was practicing at Andheri, I had plenty of models and celebrities coming to us for treatments. In Pune, I see a lot of influencers coming to me. I haven't yet treated celebrity actors or actresses in Pune yet. But influencers I have treated few influencers here in Injawadi also.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. So that there's some actresses that used to look different and now they look different. Like for Rekha, she looks young. She must be
She is an
late
evergreen
60s or
beauty, but
70s.
of course not without the help of aesthetics, cosmetology and surgeries.
Okay.
So there are a lot of anti-aging treatments and surgery which help you look younger by tightening your skin and increasing the collagen. So that will make you look at least 10-15 years and younger to your age.
So there are many celebrities, actors, like when they started off, they were looking different. Like many of them were overweight or they were not in proper shape.
Yeah. So see that
In terms of the skin also.
there are drugs which helps you lose your weight faster, but there are side effects also which might cause muscle atrophy also. So you have to get it done under the guidance of a doctor. There are few surgeries which will cut your intestine and abdomen. Few cases, few politicians have also resorted to those surgeries. So
How does it help?
it decreases the absorption of the nutrition. So that way you will not pile up weight. You won't store fat and you won't overeat because the size of the tummy is reduced. So small amounts have to be taken. The nutrition absorption is reduced. So you don't pile up weight. You start losing weight faster. So surgeries and medicines help in weight loss. Of course, they are into gymming also. Exercise and nutrition is a must. So they are into glamour industry where they get paid for all this. That is their business.
That is
to
their
look good.
profession.
Yes. There are few actresses who have I've seen nowadays the trend towards fillers, Botox,
Yeah.
nose surgeries, lip
That's
fillers have also all gone up. So you see nowadays, like there are so many celebrities' children who looked initially very different,
Yeah.
and they have remodeled their looks, done a rhinoplasty, done lip fillers, have enhanced their cheeks, and now the color also. So they have like made the skin tone lighter, and that is the demand of their profession. So they have got it done, and this is the magic of cosmetic practice actually, cosmetic medicine. So that helps you look much beautiful than you were initially.
Yeah.
We help you look much better, much
More
beautiful,
attractive.
and more build your confidence better.
Yeah, once your person looks
Yes.
better, the confidence goes up.
And age has no limits to get these treatments done. So there are celebrities who at the age of 40 have got their skin lightened up. At the age of 60, 70, they are resorting to cosmetic surgeries to look younger, get rid of their wrinkles. So I don't think age should be a constraint to look good.
Of course,
So
yes.
there are celebrities still at the age of 70, they are retaining their hair by hair transplants, of course, by hair treatments. So
Okay.
this all is not magic, but they are taking care of their body through these treatments. Again.
Treatments. So they don't have any side effects.
These are all medically approved treatments which we do, but excess of everything is wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Excess of everything. So everything has to have a limitations. Overdoing fillers, overdoing Botox, overdoing other treatments, except for I think glutathione and few treatments. Of course, a certain amount is okay, but overdoing this might cause harm.
Then we are saying people at 70 also celebrities.
Yeah.
So at that age also
They resort to
trans-
surgeries mostly. So surgeries, no, mostly if you get it done under the right expert or surgeon, it doesn't cause problems. Otherwise, there could be problems of nerve palsy and paralysis of the face, because this face is very torturous with the blood supply and nerve supply. So one has to know the anatomy of the face thoroughly to get this treatments done under a good expert, or somebody who is like very well expert in this treatment.
So what you're trying to say, it's very delicate.
You have to have a very good knowledge of anatomy and what you are doing, where you are injecting, what you are doing to the patient. Otherwise, you can cause double the harm to the patient.
So they must come to you.
Yeah, they should come to me, of course, to get a good treatment. Yeah, I'm one of the experts, you can say.
So anything else that you would like to tell people, my viewers, before we wrap up?
I have set up in Pune, so I want a lot of support from Pune, people around Hinjawadi and Pimpri Saudagar area. Of course, you all can visit and get to know me more on my website. And if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp or inbox me, mail me. One of our representatives will surely answer back to your queries. If you have anything else to say, you all can call us on our clinic number and get an appointment for the consultation. I need your support. I need your feedback. Thank you, that's all.
Yeah, we'll have your details in the description box.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Even in the website, it's all
Yeah.
there.
We'll have it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks,
Thank you.
Swapnaja.
Yes, thanks.
Thanks for giving your time. It was lovely
I hope
talking
it
to you.
was,
Yeah, it'll be very informative to my viewers.
thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Okay.
Please do like, subscribe, and watch.